Assalamu alaikum. I am Nayyar Bukhari. Welcome, math students. Now I have a topic for you: fourth roots of unity. Let x be the fourth root of unity. Unity means one and fourth root. We consider it as equal to x. X be the fourth root of unity. Now we convert it into exponential form. We take power 4 on both sides. X power 4 and fourth root of unity whole power 4. Now we have x4 is equal to 1. We cancel power 4 with fourth root. Now we have x4 minus 1 is equal to 0. We know that x power 4 means 2 multiplied by 2. Now x square multiplied the power of 2. And we know that 1 is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 0. Now I have a rule: a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. We can write this as x square plus 1 multiplied by x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have x square plus 1 is equal to 0 and x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x square is equal to minus 1 and x square is equal to plus 1. We cancel square with square root. Now we take square root on both sides. X square square root minus 1 square root. We cancel square with square root. Now we have x is equal to plus minus 1 square root equal to iota. Plus minus iota. Now x is equal to plus iota and x is equal to minus iota. On the other side, we have x square is equal to 1. We cancel x square with square root. Now we take square root on both sides. Plus minus square root of 1. We cancel square with square root. Now we have x is equal to plus minus 1. X is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Now we have four roots, which is minus iota, plus iota, plus 1 and minus 1. These are fourth root of unity. Thank you for watching my video.